More money, more life.
Yeah.
More money, more life.
I'ma keep it like an island boy. These streets keep calling me. They don't want me to leave the life behind.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, November the 12th. In today's video, I have two plays for you and one to put on stock. Okay, before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.44% yesterday at 35,921. The Dow. The NASDAQ, they closed up, bucking the trend, 0.52% yesterday at 15,704. The NUZE. Apple closed down 0.03%, sitting at $147.87. This is a buying opportunity, Apple. The big winner yesterday, NUZE, NUZE. I tweeted this one out. Follow me on Twitter at @ThePetite for my stock alert. The stock closed up a whopping 164% at 529. The stock opened up at 201, spiked as high as 760, and the low on the day 195. That's over a 300% move there. The volume yesterday was a whopping 110 million. Compare and contrast to their measly average volume of 50K. NUZE. The company came out with Walmart news. Go ahead and read the news on your own time, your own term. Please sit tight for Dave's Play.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours is not for the risk averse.
Dave's Play today is NUZE, NUZE. The stock is up 29% in the pre at 681. Watch for continuation today. The higher day thus far, $7. If this one retracts below 550, this might be a no-go today. Okay? This one has room to the upside. This is a medium-term hold. All right. Their 52-week high was 1450. So we have a little room to go up top. All right. Let's get the tires. They wear a market cap of 37 million. All right. They have 11 million in the float. 35% of the float are held by insiders. 6% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 1% of the float. They have 2 million in revenues. Okay. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 166% year over year. I will say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 166% year over year. This is NUZE. They have 13 million in total cash and a measly 633K in total debt, bringing them to a healthy current ratio of 15.63. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. I like anything over 2. This one is way above 2. This one won't be going bankrupt any day soon. NUZE. Dave's bonus play today is also an MT play out of China. RLX is up 18% at 530 on no news. The higher day thus far is 550. If this one retracts below 513, this might be a no-go today. Let's get the tires. They wear a market cap of 7 billion. They have 346 million in the float. 0.34% are held by insiders. 15% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 1% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 4.28%. Their operating margin is a positive 10%. This is RLX out of China. They have 8 billion in revenues. Okay, their revenue per share is 5.31. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 257% year over year. I will repeat that. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 257% year over year. Their gross profit is 1.53 billion. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 800 million. Okay, pay attention. Their net income is 328 million. Their quarterly earnings growth is a positive 829% year over year. Let me say that one more time. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 829% year over year. This company is growing rapidly. They have 12.37 billion in total cash. 12.37 billion in total cash. Their total debt is 105 million. Their current ratio is sitting at 4.06. This is RLX. Their operating cash flow is a positive 4 billion RLX. Please put on stock today, SNDL. SNDL came out with earnings news, and they announced a share repurchase program. On that, the stock is spiking 20% in the pre, sitting at 86 cents. The higher day thus far is 99 cents. This one is spikeable. SNDL, for example, on or about February 8th to February 11th, in a few days, the stock went from $1.11 all the way to $3.96. Their 52-week high, $3.96. SNDL. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter for my stock alerts at Duppy T. Please make some money today. In the meantime, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see it, now you don't. Dave Natch, enjoy the rest of your day. Trade well. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. I'm out. The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity.
Please subscribe.
It is ISR. ISR is up 209% at 164. I tweeted this one early in the AH to buy and hold overnight. Had you done that, you'd be up maybe 40% right now. ISR is up 209% at 164 right about now, breaking out to new highs. Be careful if it breaks down below 150. The company came out with news. They have FDA clearance. Go ahead and read up the news on your own term, your own time. The high of the day in the pre thus far, 173. Pay attention, 173. Okay, let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 39 million. 39 million market cap, 86 million in the float, 1.28%. is up over 1%. Heavy resistance at Dow 30. The Dow can't seem to stay above 30K. Is 30K the top? Only time will tell. Let me cut the blatherskite and get down to Dave's play. Today's play is CRBP. CRBP, the stock is up 70%. 70% in the pre at 208. There's no news. The high of the day in the pre thus far is 243. 243. Pay attention, this one has to stay above 207. 207. Below 207, this one might be a no-go today. Their 52-week low is 91 cents. And their 52-week high is 978. CRBP. They were a market cap.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.